Good evening everyone. Today we are starting with the chapter Admission of a Partner. In admission of a partner, there are two important topics that one needs to understand. What are the two important topics that we need to understand? First is, what do you mean by new profit sharing ratio? Yes, that is the most important topic one needs to understand in admission of a partner. What is the second important concept that one needs to understand in admission of a partner? The second important topic that one needs to understand in admission of a partner is, what do you mean by sacrificing ratio? Yes, so under the chapter admission of a partner, two important concepts that one needs to understand is, what do you mean by new profit sharing ratio and what do you mean by sacrificing ratio? Now let us understand what do you mean by new profit sharing ratio and what do you mean by sacrificing ratio with the help of a small example. Now, there is A and there is B. A and B are two friends. Now they were feeling hungry, so they went into Pizza Hut. What did they do in Pizza Hut? They ordered a pizza. Yes? They ordered a... So what did they do in Pizza Hut? They ordered a pizza. So they ordered a 6-slice pizza. Yes? They ordered how many slice pizza? 6-slice pizza. Yeah? So how many slice pizza they ordered? They ordered a 6-slice pizza. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-slice pizza. Now, out of this 6-slice pizza, how many slices will A get and how many slices will B get? A will get 3 slices and B will also get 3 slices. Yes, out of the 6-slice pizza, A will get 3 slices, B will get 3 slices. Now, they were about to start eating when they were joined by their friend C. Yes, so C saw them, met them, and they asked him to join him. Yes, so now C sat on their table. Now what did A do? A gave one of his slice to C and B also gave one of his slice to C. Yes, so before did C have any slice? No, he had not ordered. He was not part of the group. He came in later. Yes, so was he part of the group? No. So now A gave one slice to C and B gave one slice to C. Now how many slices does C have? C has 2 slices. How's 2 slices? 1 slice from A and 1 slice from B. Now how many slices does A had before C came along? A had 3 slices. But after giving 1 slice to C, how many slices A is left with? A is left with 2 slices. Yes, B also had 3 slices before C came along. But after C coming along, he gave 1 slice to C. So how many slices he is left with? He is left with 2 slices. This is the concept of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now let us understand with the help of this example itself, what is new profit sharing ratio, what is sacrificing ratio. Now instead of this being friend A, friend B and friend C, let us assume that they are partners in a firm. Before C joined them, yes, before C joined them, who were the partners in the firm? A was one partner and B was another partner. Yes, so A was one partner and B was one partner. So before C came along, what was the ratio among A and B? They were sharing the pizza, or in this case, they were sharing the profits in what ratio? They were sharing the profits as well as the pizza in equal sharing. So what is that share between among them? They were sharing equally, which is nothing but 1:1. So they were each getting 3 slices. Yes, they were each getting 3 slices. So they were sharing the profits and losses in what ratio? They were sharing it equally. So in what ratio was A and B sharing profits and losses? They were sharing it equally. So that is nothing but 1:1. So before C joined in, what was the profit sharing ratio among A and B? The profit sharing ratio among A and B was 1:1. What is that profit sharing ratio called? That is called old profit sharing ratio. Yes, what is it called? Old profit sharing ratio. Okay, OPSR. What do you mean by OPSR? Old profit sharing ratio. So what was the old profit sharing ratio between A and B? It was 3:3, which is nothing but 1:1. Why do we call this old profit sharing ratio? We call this old profit sharing ratio because this was the ratio among the existing partners before the admission of a new partner. Yes. So what is old profit sharing ratio? Old profit sharing ratio is nothing but the ratio among the partners before a partner is getting admitted into the firm. So what was the ratio between A and B? A is to B equal to 1:1. So this was the old profit sharing ratio. The ratio before the admission of any particular partner is known as old profit sharing ratio. Now in this case, in our example, C was a friend. He joined them for lunch or dinner. Yes, but in this example, if we take it as a firm, C is joining into the firm of A and B. Yes, so C is what? Who is C? He is a new partner. Yes, who is C? He is a new partner. Let us assume that he is joining into the firm and is a new partner. Agree? Now, once C joins into the firm, he gets one slice of pizza from A and one slice of pizza from B. Yes. So what is the ratio among A, B and C now? It's no more A, B. It is now A, B and C. There are three partners now. There are no more two partners. There are three partners, A, B and C. So what is the ratio or profit sharing among A, B, C? All of them are getting equal share. A is getting 2 slices, B is getting 2 slices, and C is also getting 2 slices. So what is the profit sharing ratio among A, B and C? A, B and C are sharing profits in the ratio 2:2:2. What is this 2:2:2? It's nothing but new profit sharing ratio. Yes, what is that ratio? That is nothing but new profit sharing ratio. Yes, new profit sharing ratio. NPSR. What do you mean by NPSR? New profit sharing ratio. So what will be the new profit sharing ratio? A is to B is to C. This is nothing but 1:1:1. Yes. What do you mean by new profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio is the ratio after admission of a partner. Yes. What was old profit sharing ratio? Old profit sharing ratio was the ratio among the partners before the admission of a partner. And what is new profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio is the ratio after the admission of a partner. Yes. So after admission of C, what is the profit sharing ratio? A, B and C are sharing the ratio as 1:1:1. Yes, agreed? Because each of them are getting 2 slices. So equally they are getting a share in the pizza, which in this case can be considered as profits. Yes. So how many share they are getting? All of them are getting equal slice. So all of them are sharing profits and losses equally. So what is the new profit sharing ratio among A, B and C? 1:1:1. Always remember, new profit sharing ratio must always be including the new partner share. Yes, if it is not including new partner share, then it is not called new profit sharing ratio. Yes, so earlier in the old profit sharing ratio, it was only A is to B, but new profit sharing ratio is A is to B is to C. Yes, so what is new profit sharing ratio? A is to B is to C. Yes, so that is when we call it new profit sharing ratio, because we are including the new partner's share as well. That is when we call it as a new profit sharing ratio. If you don't include the new partner's share, then it is not called new profit sharing ratio. Yes, so when do we call it new profit sharing ratio? When we include the new partner's share. Now we have understood the concept of old profit sharing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. Let us revise once. What is old profit sharing ratio? That is the ratio before the admission of a partner. What is new profit sharing ratio? That was the ratio after admission of a partner. Now let us understand the next concept, which is the important concept, which what is called as sacrificing ratio. What is sacrificing ratio? It is nothing but the ratio which the existing partners or the old partners have sacrificed for a share to the new or incoming partner. Yes, let us repeat. What is sacrificing ratio? It is nothing but the ratio which the old or the existing partners have sacrificed or surrendered for the new or incoming partner. So who are the old partners in this case? A and B. What have they sacrificed? They have sacrificed 1 slice and 1 slice respectively for C. So what have they sacrificed? They have each sacrificed 1 slice for C. So how much have they sacrificed? So sacrificing ratio, SR. Okay, what is sacrificing ratio? It is the ratio of how much they have sacrificed so that the new partner is admitted into the firm. Yes, so how much A has sacrificed in this example? A has sacrificed 1 slice, B has also sacrificed 1 slice. So what is the ratio among A and B in case of getting how much they are sacrificing? So A is also sacrificing 1 and B is also sacrificing 1. So what will be the ratio? 1:1. Yes, so what does sacrificing ratio mean? How much they have sacrificed. So sacrificing ratio is the ratio where the existing or the old partner sacrifice a share to the new or incoming partner. So it will always be in respect of the old partners. So in the sacrificing ratio, we'll never consider new partner share. Yes, so in the sacrificing ratio, we'll never consider new partner share. Why? Because it is the sacrifice which the existing or the old partners have done for the new or incoming partner. Yes, so it is nothing but the sacrifice or how much they have surrendered, which the old partners or the existing partner have done for admission of a new partner. So always sacrificing ratio will only include old partners. It will not include new partners. Why? Again, I'm repeating, because sacrificing ratio is the ratio which the existing partners have sacrificed. They have sacrificed for the new or incoming partner. So it will only include the old partners or the existing partner. It will never include the new partner. Yes? Another one important concept here is, how do we find out sacrificing ratio? The formula for sacrificing ratio is nothing but old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Yes, so what is old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio? Will give you the sacrificing ratio. Yes, what is SR? SR is nothing but sacrificing ratio. What is sacrificing ratio? Will be equal to old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Yes, so for respectively for A and for B, we need to calculate old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Respectively, if we calculate, we'll get the sacrificing ratio. But in this sum, since it was very simple, yes, our example was quite simple, we'll be able to determine that the sacrificing ratio is 1:1. How did you find 1:1? Because we know how much they've sacrificed in terms of the slice. Yes, but if we want to actually calculate, then what is the formula that we'll use? Old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. We will find out sacrificing ratio. So this sacrificing ratio must be calculated independently. For A, we need to calculate separately, and for B, we need to calculate separately. Yes, so let us revise. What is old profit sharing ratio? Old profit sharing ratio is nothing but the ratio which was existing before the admission of the partner. Yes, and what is new profit sharing ratio? It is the ratio which the partners will be sharing profits and losses after the admission of a partner. And what is sacrificing ratio? It is nothing but the ratio in which the existing or the old partners are sacrificing for the admission of a new partner. Yes, always remember, old profit sharing ratio will only have old partners share. New profit sharing ratio will always have old partner share as well as new partner share. If you don't have new partner share, then we cannot say it is a new profit sharing ratio. Always remember, in new profit sharing ratio, all partner shares should be there, including the incoming or the admitted partner. And what is sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio will only include the old partners because they are the ones who are sacrificing for the new partner. Yes, I hope the concept is clear now.